Out on the ocean, the wind starts to blow. You need to head home, but which way do you go? The harbor is distant. The storm's pulling near. You look at your map, but the pathways aren't clear. You've got a triangle, but something is wrong. Now 90 degrees to help guide you along. Side a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of a. Just plug in the numbers. Don't let your mind stray. The wolf cosines will carry the day. Okay, let's pause our captain for a second. How do we use this to save the boat? Imagine you've known how far you've sailed. Side, small b. And you know the distance to the storm. Side, small c. You also know the angle between those two paths. Angle, big A. This is called the middle of two sides. When you have this exact setup, the law of cosines reveals the missing third side. The captain smiles wide. He knows what to do. He looks at his paths and the angles in view. With side angle side, the calculation is straight. He squares up the 5 and squares up the 8. Subtract the remainder and takes the square root with care. Now he knows the exact path to escape this nightmare. Side A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of a. Just plug in the numbers, don't let your mind stray. The law of cosines will carry the day. But wait, if the captain already knows all three distances on his map, but his compass is broken and he doesn't know what direction or angle to steer, this side, or SSS, we can use this exact same law, but we have to do some algebra to flip it around. We isolate the cosine, and the formula rewrites itself as cosine of A equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. Plug in your three sides, use the inverse cosine button on your calculator, and boom, you've found your heading. Now lost in the stars with no compass in hand, three sides of a triangle mark out the land. With side, he rearranges the arc, flipping the formula right from the start. He finds the true angle by the light of the moon and guides his brave ship to the safety of the lagoon. Side a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times cosine of a. Just plug in the numbers, don't let your mind stray. The law of cosines will carry the day. It's the sister of the Pythagoras, extended out wide. Whenever your triangles lean to the side, you've got it down now, you're doing just fine. Go conquer the math with the law of cosine.